But yeah, I'm super excited about this chair. It fluffed out pretty good. Uh, it's cozy, it's comfy. What's up, y'all? Listen, remember in my last video when I was talking about how to read the Bible, and I said one of the things that I found myself struggling with in this season was getting up early, because I wake up early about 5:30, and the whole point of me waking up early is so that I could read and study before I start my day. And I told you guys that I kind of shifted that a little bit to now where I get up in the morning and exercise, get ready, dress and all of that, and then I start my reading and study and devotion. So I said the whole point of this was I want to continue to wake up at my 5:30 wake up time and still roll out of bed and read. And the struggle that I found myself having was I was reading while I was in the bed. And of course, I would fall back to sleep, or it just wasn't happening. I don't know. I don't know if I got older and this 5:30 wake up is kicking my butt a little bit more. I don't know, but I decided to get a chair so that when I do wake up, I can roll out of bed, go freshen up, and have a seat right here in this new chair. So I kind of wanted to show you guys what it took for me to kind of just unbox, set this thing up, show you how I do my prayer, like set up the scripture, all of that stuff. So let's take a quick look. I am so excited about this. I cannot wait for you guys to see. I can't wait to see. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we shall see. I have a vision in my head, so prayerfully this vision comes to life. Okay, instructions for you. Step 1, open the box, cut open the plastic bag, let it stand for 24 hours, wait for the sofa to fully recover. After opening the package, do not shake the sofa. Shaking the sofa before it is fully restored can cause deformation and uneven filling. Okay, I didn't know that this is gonna take 24 hours after I opened it. I should have opened this last night. So I might be coming back, and this is heavy. I might be this may be to be continued for tomorrow. Oh, I can't even get it out. Y'all, had to carry this upstairs by myself. Me working out is helpful. Okay, it's supposed to be an ottoman in here and a chair. They got this thing packed. Oh, it's coming open, y'all. I might be too slow. Trying to. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, alright. Okay, this is an ottoman. Definitely needs to open up some more. And this is the chair. So I'm going to put it here. So that means I need to move this stuff out the way. Okay? I'm going to put this box over here. My little fan. We're going to move this over here. And the mirror, I'm going to move as well. My idea is to have the chair in this corner over here. So So I want the chair. This is super heavy to be over here in the corner like this. So when I get out of bed, I can put this here. This little guy is going to go here. So once everything is big, I'll be able to show you guys more of how I'm going to have this prayer space. I'm like tempted to sit in the chair, but I'll let it do what it's going to do and let it get shaped or whatever. But I'll show you guys. I want to have like sticky notes on the walls of prayers and scripture. So this little guy over here will be my where I'll keep my books. Oh, I bought a tray. I have something else. Let me go get it. Okay, so I purchased this little basket from Ross, and this is what I'll put my books in, the books that I'm reading. And right now I have my Breaking the Cycle of Performance by Denise Boggs. I am pretty much done with I have a few pages left in the Jackie Hill Perry Upon Awakening book. So I'll put these here, highlighter, and then this is the proof copy of the Me, Myself, and God journal that I write in. And of course we have my study Bible that I told you guys that I took back from my dad in my last video. I purchased this book for him, this Bible for him for his birthday, and yeah, I took it back. It's mine now. Okay, so these will go here. I didn't realize this basket was this small, but I didn't want a huge basket because of course I wanted it. It's not even a basket. What is this? Like a tray? I wanted it to fit my books. So we'll have that here, or we'll put it here when I'm not using it so that I'll have a space for my books. Those we'll put on my bookshelf, and when I want to study these, this is a friend of mine gave me this Bible. This is the chronological study Bible, and it literally has the books of the Bible in the order of how they happened. I don't know if you know that the Bible is not in order at all. So I know it starts off with Genesis and everything, but yeah, the Bible is not in order. This one is, and I have yet to dive into this, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna get into this. And this was just some other books that I had that I was reading. So yeah, we're going to have to come back in 24 hours and see how this grew, and then I'll be able to show you the finished product. All right, y'all, so this is the chair. This is the ottoman. Here's the little tray with my books in there. So yeah, this is my corner. I have my little stickies on the wall. It's just a few up there right now, but the chair is like very comfy. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. yeah, I already sat here. I fell asleep in the chair last night. So, yeah, I cannot wait to let you guys know how my prayer and study time is going now that I'll just be able to roll up out of the bed. I actually did roll up out of the bed this morning and I read my Lent devotional and then, forgive me, y'all, forgive me, Lord, I started doing some work. And today is supposed to be my Sabbath. Um, and I should be resting, but it is also Holy Week, Seek Week for us at Change Church, and it is the week leading up to um, Easter. So I already know that this week is going to be full of work, and there were just like a few things that I needed to get done and get on the move with this morning. So, yes, I did that, but I'm going to show you a few of the scriptures that I wrote out and stuck on the wall for me to be able to reference and go back to. But yeah, I'm super excited about this chair. It fluffed out pretty good. Uh, it's cozy, it's comfy. I'll link it in the description for you guys if you're interested in getting it. So yes, this will be my new prayer corner for studying and prayer time, or if I just want to chill in my room and watch some TV and I have to lay in the bed. Because sometimes when I come home, I may not want to sit on the couch. I'll just come upstairs and chill up here and maybe finish working or whatever I have to do, or just take a load off and throw on the TV real quick and chill out, have some tea, have some. I drank all my coffee this morning already, and I have this cool coffee warmer, tea warmer. It's a warmer, whatever. It keeps my coffee or my tea warm. I absolutely love that. Okay, so let me show you my scriptures that I put on the wall. Okay, so here is my basket, my tray, whatever you want to call this thing. This is where I am keeping the books and things that I'm reading at the moment. Like I said, I have the proof copy of the Me, Myself, and God Daily Journal, which you can get on Amazon right now. These are the stickies that I use and the Sharpie for my scriptures that are up here on the wall. So I will continue to add scriptures that I like. So yeah, I want to encourage you, if you have not already, to create a prayer space, study space, or whatever, for you to sit and pray and be in the presence of God. One thing that I want to work on is, of course, continuing to study daily, and no matter what I have going on in my life, because like I said in one of my other videos, faith is is one of my core values, and I want it to be an authentic, actual value. So I want to prioritize this every single day, no matter what's going on in my life. So I do pretty good. I'm pretty hard on myself, but I would love to be better. Another thing I want to learn how to do is pray and then sit in silence and listen for God and what He's speaking and what He's trying to say to me, and not just pray and get up and start my day. It's definitely a journey, and until God takes me home with Him, I'll be doing this for the rest of my life. So I pray that this video has encouraged you to make a prayer space or something, study space, something nice, cozy. Like I said before, my home is my sanctuary, so I pray and encourage that, and hope that it encourages you to do the same in your own space. So remember, everything begins with the thought. If you change your mind, you can change your life. So I would love for you to like this video, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. I don't want you to keep it to yourself. Until next time, guys.